Alright, so for this map, there's a couple rules, okay? Number 1, you cannot enter the big containers. Number 2, you cannot climb on top of the big containers. And number 3, you cannot move the wooden spools, alright? So anything you wanted to do, you just can't do that, alright? So for this game mode, it's going to be team elimination again. But in this map, we're going to have it with 2 lives, okay? So what you're going to do is if you get hit, you're just going to put your hand up. You're going to run to either this net, spawn on this side, or that net, you spawn on that side. And then if you get hit again, you just come to the end of your bounce on, alright? Does not work. Yeah.
Hey guys, the other thing I want you to do is you can't shoot up in the air, okay? So when you're shooting, you gotta keep it a nice level plane. Alright? Nice straight shooting, yes. Please. I don't want things to go on that.
Alright,
I got that much, bro.
Alright guys, so really quickly before we enter, there is stairs, so everybody make sure you don't trip on the stairs, alright?
Okay.
And watch it at the bottom too, there's a little metal plate. Alright, so everyone just put your belts like in the ladder, somewhere in the ladder. Alright. Alright guys, now blue team, you guys are already situated.
Wait, can you shoot through these? You can! Wait.
You can shoot through these. Okay guys, bye.
Did it start? I see them. Are y'all good? Yo, gang! I killed him! Ah, no! Did I get hit? the Benigno, Brian, and Freddy. In like the side of the round. I just ran out to their base, shot them all out. I was spawn camping, bro. Hold on. I think we won. Huh? Where are they? I only got shot once. Wait, is that paint over here? Is there paint here? Paint over here on my armpit. Over here. Oh. You're so lucky. I got shot once only.